Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this beautiful earring, paper earring in the form of a bow. It's quite easy to make and we will need to create this bow a paper heart punch, a circle punch and another circle punch a little bigger because we will need to create this part. Okay, let's get started to create this cute paper earring. Okay, with our paper heart punch we will punch 2 paper heart, voila, and then with this one we will punch a circle. Okay, this we will put this circle here. Okay, now we will need some glue. Better to use a cocktail stick. Okay, because we don't need to put too much glue. Okay, now voila. Okay, and then we will need to glue the other one. Okay, voila, here. Okay, I need to, okay, here, this part of the bow. Okay, now we will need to create this part with a pair of scissors. We will cut a strip of paper. Voila. Now we will need to fold the strip in this way here, and we will need to put a little drop of our tacky glue here. Okay, here in this way, press down. Okay, now we will need to glue this strip on the back, so turn your bow and we will put some glue here, and then we will glue this part. Okay, now with our pair of scissors we will need to create this part, so cut here and cut here, and then with our scissors we will cut the end part, the same here and here, voila. Okay, now we will need to create this part, so we will need to punch 2 paper circle here, and we will glue this post earring to our paper with some white glue. Okay, we will need to punch a hole here. Voila, we will punch a hole. Now put some glue on the back of this piece of paper and glue together. Voila, press down, and now we will need to connect the two pieces. We will need to punch a hole here. Voila. And then we will need to punch a hole here, better to on the back, start on the back, and then from the front to the back. Voila, here. And now we will need a jump ring. Open your jump ring and connect the two pieces together. Voila. Close the jump ring, and here we have our second earring. They are so nice, and if you want you can also glue them, embellish them with some nail polish. I did another pair in this way, so you can put some nail polish on your earring, or you can leave it in this way and you can create them in many different colors. They are so nice and they are so funny to wear. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and if you have any question, please leave a comment below this video. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.